هذا ابنه للعريس. البوفيه اليوم عملناه على شكلين.
It was the first time, so.
And what do you think about the Syrian food?
I really like it. It's very delicious. Me and my baby girl, we both loved it. Appetizers were
Quite incredible.
والله تمام. Semolina
yeah.
with cheese.
With
cheese, and inside it's Syrian cream and pistachio. Habibti, thank you. I'm so happy because you like everything.
Hey, you're so great.
Habibti,
You're so
thank you.
great.
Thank you. هو متجوز العريس من 5 سنين، بس بسبب كورونا ما قدروا يعملوا عرس، فهلأ قرروا يعملوا العرس.